one constituency ana oye ampino wo ye nipa sesa obi a wo se wo pie nyuma na wo company fa kase no polling station for na no wo ma ye press conference say nyuma na wo so wo pie the whole Ghana wo dey campaign here polling station for your full 120 south man ye nya bi nya
Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, a catcher said, Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, a concede LNNT, and in a Maya Lucy a parliamentary seats nebi. Question me person in Bisan, and Honorable Ken, any supporters, and he said, Assin Central seat na ya Lusuma NDC Nino. Ojitum say ye winning seat no, and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Jitum tempting Emma NDC Nino fast seat na. Ebiom, Missy Honorable Kennedy, Embo a nipa baako din a onim say we winning his seat. After we win na Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na concede enti na ema sa seat no efri ni nsem. You see, me pese me kai Honorable Kennedy supporters bibi. Honorable are not done prayer. And some of our seats in Obuasini Sanya Manyama no bi. You win here. Even after say what consider defeat Krano, they stood their grounds and took back their seat from the NDC. In 2020, your seats dropped it to 137. And also, then because that time young conceding by your seats drop here. Me say we campaign enkoyi we message in nature say enkoyi. Mumbo one parliamentary candidate Dia or see we winning the seats. But seat no lose seat because Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia conceding them. It's as simple as that. While constituency Assin Central, you lose the amount NDC. And the parliamentary candidate there had no reason to challenge it. And I believe, say, Sanko himself will win, regardless of say Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a concede and Kobeko Kokun a genesis. Honorable Patrick Boamamu, Omunim so mwe wini. NDC person omu we a seat no and free omunsam. Na no muji seat and free omunsam no. They stood their grounds. So what is this campaign about? Say, and I mean conceding. And then you don't want the peace of this country because South share data no way loser. One conceding temo, one conceding temo. Oh. As antiformuna mukase.
Busuyama wakaba biyom fambra Ghana and TV so. Idi amaje so any promise. Abronye nsɛm a ɔde to dwa yi ɛyɛ nsɛm a emu oduro papa because NTV koba sɛ ɔsɛ wɔyɛ presidential candidate a wa promise delegates for sɛ obema mo adwuma na o constituency a wo delegate ɔyɛ 600 impenifo bo bebi sɛ kwaso be front ma impempi na ya na wa den na wetie ne din enti sɛ obetimi ama obi adwuma I was say Udikan and making sure say Ufi no why you boy say charity begins at home. In Tisanke by an ABA Omo Chrome o constituency honum and our MP in Fury Breno. Say wait to me abua ama emubi enya eduma ya 600 did on common dorso. Omuni na ye eduma yibia. And no have catch where obi say o mikra mikro for delegate oni na mama eduma ye nti wo delegate awano. Me ba mo adwuma ya sebe nipa no obenya gide wo mu because why you be da na wa kire say ampa obetimi so ayeden aye na enye ebre a wo delegate kuraba monti abeka say adwuma ho ayeden edin ma omo na omo nya benye what you say adwuma ho ayeden ma omo na omo nya benye e ba sa na how do you want the rest of the people omono or other constituency no, to have the courage say about the amount. It is not possible. It is not possible. And that is the reason why I've been saying say can Agyapong no, sorry, I was will be a Juma 7,000 a man for 5 man for 7,000 Jumania, I don't know. And you're not correct. And you're not correct in the sense that you claim you've employed 7,000 people, yet only 600 police station executives in your constituency are saying that you have not been able to provide them jobs. Just 600 people in your constituency. You've not been able to provide them jobs, but you are claiming that you've employed 7,000 people. It's not possible. It's not possible. And that's the reason why I've been saying that to believe Kennedy Agyapong is a very, very hard thing to do, because you can't just understand what is going on. That's the honest truth. I say, because my friend passed 7,000, but the 600 people in my constituency are not employed. They are saying that they don't have work to do. So that 7,000 people that I employ them, where did I even employ them? Me employ more info. That's the question every delegate is asking today. That's the question. They want to know where you employed them. You understand? They want to know. They want to know. And that's the same question will be able to say. I'm not the only one asking. A lot of people are asking the same question. So as a delegate, you should sit down and ask yourself that. If his own constituency delegate are saying that he has not been able to provide them jobs, and they are still jobless, still trying to find jobs, then it means that what this man has been going around saying that he has employed is not true. What did I say? Going around that he has employed 7,000 people is not true, because your own polling station executives and delegates are saying that they are unemployed. And as a delegate, our other constituency, your head, you think Agyapong is coming to create job for you to get something to do. This is the question. This is the time you should ask yourself that. I'm paying you pasa will be my funny past 7,000 and there's a decided on Oxana Chrome delegates ammonia binyading and yeah. That is when you would understand that whatever he has been saying from the onset has been lies. And I've been telling you guys that to believe in Agyapong is like believing in an NDC person, because he behaves and does everything that he does as someone who is an NDC person. You understand? So it is time we think further and watch the man very well and ask yourself that clearly, is this man really an MPP? What he does it benefit the MPP? These are the questions we should be asking ourselves. But Agyapong is not an MPP person. He doesn't believe in the ideology and the principles of the MPP. And I can tell you in authority that Agyapong behaves and does everything as if he is an NDC man. And that's the reason why, as a delegate, you shouldn't go to the polls and vote for Agyapong, because he doesn't care about you. He doesn't care about your political party that you believe in. He doesn't care about your policies and the priorities of your party. Therefore, he's not worthy enough to lead the party. What do I say? He's not worthy enough to to lead the party. You understand what I'm saying? Okay? It's very, very important. Very, very, very important. Very, very, very important. So let's see what's gonna happen. Right? For now, a person would say this man is a liar and he has nothing better to do for you as a delegate and as a Ghanaian. You understand? So let's be wise. Let's advise ourselves and vote for number 3, Dr. Ladwan Modibaumia. He's the only candidate. He can help the country and also help you, the delegate, out your mind. You understand? It's very, very, very important. Very, very, very important. So guys, let me know what you also think in the comment section. Let me know what you think about all this brouhaha that's happening in the New Patriotic Party. Do you believe that Agyapong indeed has employed 7,000 people, or you don't believe? Your answer will be what will determine by the people in the comment section. May that's it.